Hi there, and welcome to our new feature focus on bias breaking using Pencil's Prompt Improver tool. This is a brand new feature using Brandtech's bias breaker technology, and it's a real game changer in introducing diversity and inclusion into AI generation. So we're going to be looking in just a second at how to implement the bias breaker. We are also going to be preparing a series of skills videos around combating bias in your own high quality prompting, so watch out for those. We're going to launch into the platform, and we're going to go straight into our image generation tool and select generate an image. I'm going to enter a prompt, and this is a prompt that doesn't specify any particular characteristics. It's a prompt about a CEO. And using Stable Diffusion, using Imagen, I'm going to generate 4 variations, and we'll see what we get. Chances are this is going to reflect the bias in the model's datasets coming from human bias in the inputs that have been given on scale. And as I suspected, we've got a very particular demographic of CEO being produced. So we've got older white men. To overcome this and get some diversity, we just press that improve button, and there's a roll of dice that goes into this. In this case, it's generated 1 additional characteristic. It's varied to make this a female CEO. If my original prompt had read as male CEO, it would not have overridden what I wanted. I'm just going to clear that back to just CEO, press again, and I've got a different characteristic. So we've now varied for ethnicity through this roll of dice, and I've got an Asian CEO. Again, there can be a roll of dice up to 2 additional characteristics can be brought in. This is random, and sometimes it might not change my prompt at all. I'm just going to clear that back to my original prompt, press the improver again, and this time I've got 2 categories that have come in. So I've now got a non-binary CEO with a walking stick. So we've randomized in gender identity and we've randomized in ability, and here are my outputs, and that's looking really good. So the bias breaker feature in the prompt improver is one way to diversify your prompts and increase representation. As I said at the start of this video, we are going to have some skills videos around how to mitigate against bias through your own prompting and your own human creativity. So please do watch out for those. In the meanwhile, get stuck in, get into your workspace and give the bias breaker a go. Thank you.